Before you buy your next faucet, stop. Most online faucets look great, but many fail in months. So here are the 3 must-check details that instantly tell you whether a faucet will last or leak. Step 1. Check the material and build quality. Start with what the faucet is actually made of. Look for brass or zinc construction, not cheap plastic. Plastic parts wear out fast and often fail under daily use. Also, check the handle feel, the spray head, and the button movement if it's a pull-down model. A solid all-metal handle and smooth spray switching mean better long-term durability. Step 2. Make sure installation is easy and leak-free. A good faucet should be ready to install right out of the box. Look for pre-installed nylon supply lines, a quick connect system, and a high-quality ceramic cartridge. These features ensure a tight seal, smooth mixing, and fewer chances of leaks. Avoid brands using stainless steel lines that kink easily and cause future problems. And Step 3. Check compatibility and warranty. Your faucet must fit your setup. Look at the deck thickness, the mounting hardware, and whether the shank is long enough for your countertop. And finally, always check the warranty. A solid warranty shows the company trusts its own product. Certified faucets like CUPC also guarantee safety and long-term performance. And that's it! 3 simple steps to choosing a high-performing, leak-free faucet that'll last for years. If you want more short, helpful breakdowns like this, stay tuned for the next video.